Hello, my name is Shongita Shamadar. Today I will shed lights on various aspects of nursing and my perspectives on it. Since childhood, I have always wanted to take a part of the healthcare sector. I aimed at being a healthcare service provider because it would provide me the necessary opportunities to serve the people in need of the respective healthcare services. Nursing offers an opportunity to serve the patients with utmost care and empathy. This aligns with my purpose in life of serving others. This act of serving others gives me happiness which I would find in regards to the nursing career. On the other hand, nursing also offers an opportunity on the career ground. Nursing is not only limited to diploma degree and bachelor degree, it also gives an opportunity to conduct MSc, PhD and many more. The room for job opportunities in nursing is on the higher side along with ascending growth. It is one of the most respected professions around the globe.